In today's lesson, we will learn the present continuous form of verbs by adding ing using the general rule. A verb is an action word. It expresses physical action, like jump, mental actions, like think, or states of being. The verb to be, for example, am. Present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is happening at the moment. The verb needed ing if used with to be words like am, is, are, and be. The general rule is to simply add ing to most verbs without changing the spelling of the word. For example, cook plus ing is cooking. Play plus ing is playing. When used in a sentence, it could be he is playing. Clean plus ing is cleaning. When used in a sentence, we could say I am cleaning. Sleep plus ing is sleeping. When used in a sentence, it could be they are sleeping. Look at these examples. Eat plus ing is eating. Dry plus ing is drying. Jump plus ing is jumping. Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time. Add ing to the end of the verb. 1. Dress. Dressing. 2. Buzz. Buzzing. 3. Hunt. Hunting. 4. Look. Looking. Copy and correct these sentences. Add ing to the underlined words. One. I am eating my dinner. 2. Dad is painting the wall. 3. Katya is looking at her book. 4. We are climbing the tree. 5. They are walking to school every day. Add ing to the word where it's needed.